Aberystwyth University is home to internationally recognised research in food security, sustainability and the impacts of climate change. We have been breeding crops for food and biofuel at our Gagurthan site for over 100 years, innovating in their development and in livestock health, often in partnership with industry. Through our experiences, we have come to understand that truly innovative products and services can be further improved using university expertise and access to pilot-scale development facilities, which can be hard to come by in the private sector. So this is where AberInnovation comes in, to help you create and test your next world-beating product or service. AberInnovation is a 3,500 square metre facility built to BREEAM Excellent standard, housing technical facilities and equipment and available for companies to collaborate with academic experts. The front door to our great facilities is the campus's innovation hub and its array of meeting spaces, conferencing spaces and co-working facilities, providing a professional environment for problem solving and collaboration. At AberInnovation, we have 4 technical zones, custom designed for collaborative agri-food and circular economy R&D. The Biorefining Centre provides pilot-scale facilities for process optimisation to extract and analyse chemicals from biomass and waste streams in an integrated industrial biotechnology and food-grade environment. Our Future Food Centre extends our food-grade environments for the testing, validation and improvement of existing and novel materials as food and drink, including nutritional content, advanced compositional analysis, shelf life and consumer preference testing. Our Advanced Analysis Centre provides bespoke chemical analysis equipment and expertise, and interacting with Aberystwyth University supports a wellbeing and health assessment research unit for food intervention studies. AberInnovation is here to catalyse your progress in innovation. Whatever your interests, be they academic or commercial research and development, we look forward to welcoming you through the AberInnovation doors soon.